Hello there, and thank you for tuning into this screencast. I'm Rex. In this screencast, we're going to take a look at adjusting clip duration and slipping clips. There are two methods you can use to help align clips to video. Let's take a look at slip clips first, because this one's pretty common, especially if you're importing data from a third-party provider. So I'm going to hold Shift. I'm going to click and drag from right to left, and that is going to select all of those clips. You can see they're all selected. And if I right click in an empty area of the timeline, I can choose Slip Selected Clips from the menu. And you'll notice that there's a little dialog that pops up. And if I click and drag in the timeline now, I can move those selected clips back and forth, and I can adjust those according to the video. So if say the first bit was here, I want to bring those clips back and adjust that to right there, let's say. And when I close that dialog, that commits the change. Now remember, when you're doing this, Command Z can be your best friend. That will undo. So if you make an adjustment that you're not happy with, you can undo it. If you hold Command, you can use the lasso tool and select some clips and slip them. And what you'll see happen here is you can make an adjustment like this. Now obviously that wouldn't be very helpful, so let's undo that. Now the second method, and this method you can do what I call worming clips along. So let's get to a little section here. I'm going to hold Command and I'm going to grab these clips. And there's a keyboard keystroke that allows you to adjust the start and end time. If I hold Shift Option Command and I press greater than, you can adjust the end time, and the start time is less than, holding that same set of modifiers, and you can worm the clips down like this. Kind of an interesting way. Remember, undo. Undo's your best friend. If you want to adjust the start time, say you want to subtract from the start time, you hold Option Command and then press less than. So that's moving all those selected clips. There I just press Command A to select everything. And pressing the greater than will adjust the end time, subtracting time from the end time. So again, we've got that kind of worming technique. These keyboard shortcuts are generally used for increasing the duration of a bunch of selected clips. So you can make all these clips much fatter. Every time you press those keyboard combinations, they adjust the clip by 1 second. So that should show you how to slip or increase the duration of clips.